Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit OAKS. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can get this $35,000 worth of credit card very easily. This video has a step-by-step guide, and if you follow all these steps, you will be also able to get $100 in credit. So make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch the video when we upload it, and please smash the like button as it really helps the channel and it also motivates us. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So this opportunity is from the well-known financial institution, and that is Discover. Yes, we are going to review this very important credit card and also going to give you step-by-step guide means how you can apply for it. This is a very easy credit card to get, and remember, when you apply through these steps that we are going to mention right here, you're also able to get $100 as a credit if you get this credit card. So make sure that you don't miss any part from this very important video. Remember, this is the Discover It Cashback credit card. You can earn cash back. Well, and they say we match it all at your first year. For example, you got the cash back of $500. Then at the end of the year, they're going to match it and they're going to give you extra $500. This is going to be a very big opportunity for the shopaholics who likes to shop, and especially in this holiday season. Use this card. Get this card and do as much as shopping if you want, but please use the credit card responsibly because it can make you or break you at the same time. So please always be responsible with your financial situation. Well, Discover says that Discover offers this cash reward credit cards and matches all the cash back you earn at the end of your first year. And you know what we love about these credit cards? Well, this one has no annual fee and we love it. Yes, no annual fee means that we don't have to pay any annual fee or a single penny. Remember, they say there's no annual fee for your Discover It Cashback credit card, not now and not hiding a year from now. Yes, the rating is pretty awesome. It's 4.7, and yes, we love this card. I personally love it. And remember that whenever you use a credit card, never carry a balance. Always pay the credit card in full at the end of the month because you don't want to pay the hefty APR on it. Well, the question is, why Discover It Cashback Rewards credit card? Remember, they can give you 5%. Let me repeat it. 5% cash back. You can earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. And regardless of all, you can also get 1% cash back no matter what on all other purchases automatically. And unlimited cashback match means with cashback match, get an unlimited dollar for dollar match for all cashback you've earned at the end of your first year automatically. For example, if you buy anything at all and you get a cashback of like $10,000, they're literally gonna give you $10,000 at the end of the year. More means you're gonna have $20,000. Well, I know for $10,000 you have to buy a lot, but some people do the shopping this holiday, and this holiday, you know, we don't refrain ourselves to buy other things, though it's inflation, but you know, it's holiday season, why not? Well, where you can get 5% cash back today? Pretty much nowhere. Well, with this one, you can get 5% on Amazon.com and digital wallets. Means that earn 5% cash back bonus at Amazon.com and digital wallets. And now December 31st, 2022, up on $1,500 in purchases when you activate. Well, January March says that earn 5% cashback at grocery stores, drugstores, and select streaming services. January 1st to March 31st, 2023 on to $1,500 in purchases when you activate. Well, remember that 99% nationwide acceptance discovered is accepted by 99% of the places across the country that take credit cards. There is no annual fee, as we mentioned earlier as well. Remember, there's 0% APR for 15 months. Oh, I love it. I love it. You can carry balance for 15 months. Though we don't recommend that, but yes, that could be an option. For example, this holiday, right after this video, you apply this credit card through the link that we are going to paste in the video's description. Means when you click on the link, you will get the $100 credit, means you get free $100, and at the same time you get 15 months of 0% APR. Means whatever you buy this holiday, you're going to get $100 for free when you apply through our link in the video's description. And at the same time, if you have balance, for example, you bought the stuff for $2,000 and you paid only $500 or $100 or $50, well, remember, they're not going to charge you APR on it. That $50 will stay there and you will not get charged for any APR. This is indeed a very big opportunity, and literally when I started this video I didn't know about this, but this is indeed a very big opportunity. 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, 3% interest balance transfer fee until March 10, 2023, then 15.74 to 26.74% standard variable APR on up to 5% fee for future balance transfer when you apply for it. Remember, you can actually choose for 25 card designs, and I personally have it. I have this red one right here, as you can see, and I love this color. Well, you can have anything. Like if you like to travel, you can have this one. You can have this one as well, and of course, if you like pink color, you can have this one. If you are a pride person, you can have this one, and you know that there's many designs that you can apply from. Remember that there's a lot of perks of this, and their 24/7 service, their FICO score update, and there are a lot of benefits. Well, remember that there is a link in the video's description. When you click on it and you apply through that, you are going to get $100. Let me repeat it. There's a link below in the video's description. When you apply through that, you are going to get $100 for free as a credit if you get approved for the Discover It card. Well, remember, if you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. And remember, we are going to upload another video which is going to give you $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So if you would like to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification when we upload it. And please smash that like button, as it really helps the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.